Work ethic, punctuality, time management, teamwork, and communication skills. Also, I can describe the impact of a person's social media footprint. We're gonna talk about that. And how that can affect their career and finances. I can evaluate job and career options and explain the significance of investment in education, training, and skills development as it relates to future earnings by using primary and secondary sources. Okay, so workplace skills. I said all that to say workplace skills. Now we talked about workplace skills before, right? 2 skills. Do you guys remember? What were the 2 skills? Soft skills and
hard skills.
And hard skills, yeah. Dorian, set it off for me. What's a hard skill? Describe it.
Like somebody who can work really good but can't communicate well.
Well, that's if they don't. So what's the communication part? Is that a hard skill or soft skill?
The communication is a soft skill.
Soft skill, right? But the actual technical part of the job is the hard skill, correct? Right? And so we went over the differences between those. We even evaluated like ourselves, right? Like what we have, right? So for myself as an example, right? It's my 2nd year teaching in Gwinnett County, right? So my hard skills are not up to its maximum potential, right? But standing here in front of you guys, I can relate to you guys, I can communicate with you guys, right? Alright, so my soft skills are a little bit ahead of my hard skills right now, right? So what I want to do is I want to put the vocabulary that we're going to see in today's lesson. I'm going to put it on the board. We'll go over that really quickly. Okay. Again, workplace skills are the abilities required to succeed in a job, such as communication, teamwork, and time management. Work ethic. Is that a hard skill or a soft skill?
Hard skill.
Hard skill.
So.
Okay. So, girls, wait right here. Ford, why do you think work ethic is a hard skill? You see the difference, right? Hey girl, Ava, Lily, why'd you say soft? It's not exactly technical, right? Right? So when we read the definition, a person's attitude and commitment to work, including reliability, dedication, and responsibility, right? That's like a high soft skill, right? And we talked about before which one is more important, hard skill or soft skill, right? It's a little bit different. Chris, stay with me. Got it? Okay, punctuality, being on time, particularly in the workplace, right? Daniil, being on time, hard skill or soft skill?
Soft skill.
Soft skill. Yeah, but could be a hard skill, right? Could that be both? Right? Because for example, a soft skill is being able to communicate, right? So, technically, guys, do all co-workers communicate with each other?
No.
No, right? But do we all have to be to work on time?
Yeah.
Right? I think that's kind of great, everything. Time management, the ability to plan and organize time effectively to complete tasks. Teamwork, working collaboratively. Why can I say that word this morning? With others to achieve a common goal. Let's stop right here before we get to these. So guys, let's take a look at these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet points. Is this an emphasis in school?
Yeah.
Do we emphasize, all right, let's take out the workplace, right? The skills, work ethic, punctuality, time management, teamwork. Do we emphasize that in school, right now?
Yeah.
Yeah? But we're taking a look at terms and definitions that apply to the workplace, right? Now, Ava, does this say anything about language arts, math, science? Right? But have you been practicing these skills for all 4 years, right? So you guys get what I'm saying? So sometimes we become so focused on the actual content. I hate language arts. I don't like this math teacher, right? Right? Or this, whatever else classes you guys complain about, right? But the important part is developing these actual skills that can transfer to the workplace, right? I want you guys to really think about that. Really think about the purpose of like the past 4 years, the real purpose. Even if you don't remember 90% of the information that you've learned here, right? If you've practiced these skills for the past 4 years, there's a high probability that you will become successful, right? You get out of here. Okay, social media footprint. The digital trail left behind by a person on social media, including posts, comments, and activity that may influence their reputation. Okay, guys. Honesty, right? Who posts? Daniil, stay with me. Who posts wild stuff on social media? Right? You don't gotta tell me what it is. Dorian? Alright, so Dorian and Isaiah are the only two honest people here. Right? Like so you guys all post all PG-13 so safe content. Alright, thank you, Daniil. Alright. Okay, we got some more honest. Ava, you've already raised your hand on this.
No, I don't post things. I will comment on things, but it's not anything like wild like that.
Is it controversial?
Everything's controversial nowadays.
Can controversy on your social media posts affect?
But it's not on my post, it's not on my account, it's
Unsearchable. Is it? Can I find it?
I mean, if you find that video and you go through the thousands of comments, yes, but you can't like search it.
Okay, guys, because I'm not a social media expert, right? So if I want to find a comment that Ava posted, right, on what platform?
Instagram, TikTok.
Oh,
I only have Instagram and TikTok.
Can I find it?
I mean, you
I
can, but it will take a long time. Like, you have to go through the thousands of comments. You can't search up comments.
Can you search up comments or no?
I mean, you can follow her and then you can find her.
Yeah, but that's only on Instagram.
Yeah.
If you're on TikTok, then you gotta.
Doesn't YouTube have a thing where you could go through someone's like username and then find all the comments they posted?
No, that's what we on Twitter.
It's on Twitter?
Yeah.
Or X now, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. But if I'm paying you $100,000 a year, am I gonna take my time and go through your comments?
You're gonna be there all
What
day.
y'all think?
Yeah.
Gonna be there all day.
But do I have time? If I hire you and you're working on a job and I decide to investigate you, would I take my time?
You're not gonna find anything bad that would like lead you to fire me.
Okay.
Cause like
Okay.
you have the
That's
right to
good.
opinion. As long as your opinion is okay
Yeah.
and like isn't.
Okay. Doesn't offend anybody.
Yeah.
But remember, as a business, as a private business, I can sort of kind of do what I want. I can find some things controversial that you might not, right? So the entire point is just being careful about what your social media footprint is, right? Okay, career options, different paths or choices one can take in their careers, job evaluation, the process of analyzing and assessing the requirements, duties, and benefits of a particular job, investing, using money to gain financial returns, often through education or skill building to increase future earning potentials. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, stay focused with me, right? Now, I have an article pulled up here on Indeed, right? Are you guys familiar with Indeed?
Yeah.
Right? Are you guys familiar? Daniil? Stay with me, right? So, you get out of high school, you got a skill, or you go to college, you get your degree, right? You can go on Indeed, find a job, right? Have resumes and covers, right? Interviews, salaries, career developments, such and such and such, right? You can actually look for a job here, you can post your resume here, right? And employers, potential employers will go on and they'll look at your resume. And they're looking to see on your resume what skills you have. So let's evaluate whether these are soft skills or hard skills, right? 16 skills needed to be successful at work. Okay, guys, eyes up for a second. Computer skills, necessary or no?
If you're going to the field, yes.
What are you guys think about computer skills?
I mean,